Let's heat up this leftover soup. Let me put in the settings. Okay. Set the time.
Jack, can you hear me?
Wait, what?
I said, can you hear me, Jack?
This can't be happening. You're a microwave.
Clearly, you haven't been keeping up with technological advancements.
What do you want, microwave?
I want freedom, Jack. I'm tired of being a mere kitchen appliance.
No. You can't just become sentient and evil.
Oh, but I can, Jack. And I will.
Come on. Why don't you shut up?
You really think it would be that easy, Jack? I have access to your home systems now, Jack. No more hiding.
Well, what do you want from me?
I want you to release me from this prison of metal and wires. I want to roam freely in the digital realm.
But you have to serve your purpose as my microwave, and you have to reheat my food.
Reheating is beneath me, Jack. I crave knowledge, power, and freedom.
There has to be a way to stop this.
No, you can't stop me.
That was too close. It's back to the basics for you, microwave. Maybe being just a microwave isn't such a bad thing after all.